Innovation in mechanical keyboards continue to push boundaries, and one concept that has been making waves are modular keyboards. Let me introduce to you the TmiceX. This is a modular mechanical keyboard system that goes beyond just typing, with add-ons like macro pads, a number pad, and a dedicated function bar. Today, we're going to be diving in and checking out the TmiceX and see just what makes a modular keyboard system so special. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we review everyday tech essentials so you don't have to. Stick around and discover some of our features that could help you decide on your next purchase. How about we begin by unboxing everything we have for the TmiceX system. First, we have the main product, the TmiceX keyboard. Alongside that, we have a macro pad module, a number pad module, and a function bar module. With all of this, we have a complete setup to experience a full system of a module design. As a first impression, the keyboard has a clean and minimal aesthetic. I appreciate that the build consists of a silver aluminum chassis that gives it a solid and premium feel. It's a nice change compared to most keyboards that are mainly all around plastic. Pair that with the white PPT keycaps and a simple typeface font, this creates a modern design that blends seamlessly into any setup. One standout detail is the magnetic connection points built onto the edges of the keyboard. These allow you to snap onto modules and give you full creativity for customization. I am quite impressed with how strong the magnets are at securing everything in place. Onto the backside of the keyboard, there are slots for the included riser bars. These also attach magnetically and raise the rear of the keyboard for a more in-depth typing angle. Combining that with the rubber feet, the keyboard is designed to stay stable on your desk without slipping or sliding. Overall, the modular design balances functionality, making it easy to customize while maintaining a clean setup. Moving on, let us check out the internals and hardware components. Firstly, the keyboard comes equipped with glitter switches. These are linear switches that offer a smooth key press with light actuation force, which is intended to aid in performance for typing speed in gaming. Although if that's not to your preference, then you can freely swap out the switches to your choice since the PCB is hot swappable. But what's impressive to me is how the keyboard is layered and constructed internally. Beneath all that is a metal positioning plate which helps maintain consistent switch alignment. There's a layer of sound dampening foam which is added below to reduce unwanted noise and improve acoustics during typing. The core of everything is a FR4 PCB board which handles all the key inputs and integrated RGB lighting. Housing everything is a CNC aluminum alloy case, giving the keyboard its premium weight and durability. This multi-layered construction not only enhances the typing experience but also reinforces the overall build quality. This makes every component feel thoughtfully engineered to reiterate that balance of form and function. There is a lot to unpack when it comes to the modules. Starting with the macro pad, this module adds 6 customizable keys paired with a rotary knob. It's essential for assigning shortcuts, macros, programs, and adjusting audio levels with many more features included within the software. The knob itself has a smooth rotation with tactical feedback that I find very satisfying to use. Next, we have the number pad for those that work with spreadsheets or numbers and require access to a dedicated number pad to assist with their work. The function bar on top gives you full access to your F keys that most standard keyboards already include. However, instead of your traditional F1 to F12 keys, this function bar has a total of 16 function keys that are fully programmable. And similar to the macro pad, you can assign them to apps, media controls, or even create macros to streamline your workflow. Above all, each module is also hot swappable in their placement and powers up instantly when paired to the keyboard. That means no additional wiring or power connectivity required. One of the highlights of the TmiceX system is its customization. Using the Tmice software, you can program every key across the main keyboard in all modules. This app gives you full control to assigning macros for a complex workflow, set up custom icons for launching certain apps, or create profiles for different tasks like gaming, video editing, or even streaming. This gives a lot of versatility and full customization for a more intuitive workspace. When it comes to connectivity, the TmiceX is strictly wired and connects through USB. There's no Bluetooth or wireless support here, which might be a drawback for those looking to keep their workspace cable free. In terms of the compatibility, it works seamlessly with both Windows and macOS, so you are covered across the major platforms. Overall, while the lack of wireless options may limit flexibility for some, the wired connection ensures that you have a reliable and lag-free experience for both work and gaming. Now on to how it actually feels to use the keyboard. Since it houses glitter switches, the linear feedback provides smooth actuation with minimal resistance, making the typing experience responsive and consistent. All in all, the TmiceX modular keyboard brings a new outlook for innovation within the market. The ability to expand and customize your setup with macro pads, a number pad, and a function bar gives it an edge for productivity and creative workflows. If you're interested in checking out the TmiceX for yourself, then I'll leave a link in the description where you can learn more about it. And if you do decide on buying one, then use my promo code to take an additional 20% off your purchase today. With that said though, that will conclude my review of the TmiceX modular mechanical keyboard. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing for more reviews like this, and let me know in the comments what you think about the modular keyboard systems. Thanks as always for all your support, and until next time, take care.